to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing two beautiful head wrap that you guys will love. So this is the material that I'm going to be using. It's the length is 71 and the wideness is 23. So all you just need to do, you're going to fold it like this, 50-50 into two. You're going to fold it 50-50 into two. So what you just do, you just make a plate like this. Make a plate like this. So, and you use a rubber band, whatever thing you can use to tie it, you use it to hold it like this. We're just gonna make a beautiful bow here. So, and after that, you just put this one, you just put it in your hair to get it's like this, and just put it like this. So you take it out from your head because of the excess one that is going to be remaining. So all you just need to do is just to add another inches to it like this. Then you get your rubber band and use it to tie it. Just secure it here. So this excess one, what you will do with it, you just tuck it in. You tuck it in. And another thing you guys should know for this particular one, I didn't put anything on my hair, just this one, that's what is on my hair. I didn't put anything at the back to bring the, so I'm using this one. I will just put it inside, tuck it in like this, tuck it in. So all you just do, you just put it on your head like this. You see how simple it looks. That's it. You don't really need to do too much after everything. Then all you just need to do is just to arrange this parts, and that is it. So for me, I always like to cover my put the wrap on my ear, because I feel it gives another fitness to it. So that's why I always cover it. And this is so cute. I love it. It's gonna be 50-50. This particular one is very simple. I'm just going to make a V at the front. So this part, this one, this excess one, you tuck it in. So this one that is remaining, you just, all you just need to do is just to roll it, twist it. You just twist it in like this. So this excess one, you tuck it in. So voila, you see how simple this one is, and simple and beautiful. That's it. Let me know in the comment section which one you like best. For me, I think I like this one because this one really looks beautiful, simple and elegant. So let me know in the comment section, and thank you guys for always supporting me, watching my videos. Guys, do like and subscribe. I will be showing you guys different amazing videos that you guys are gonna like. Thank you once again. I really appreciate you guys.